Hi guys, so this pin cushion is actually for the sewing machine. So we're going to be making this for our sewing machine. So all you need to do is to cut out a circle fabric, and then you're going to make gathers around it like so. And then you're going to put your fiber. So this fiber is for the throw pillow or pillowcase. So I actually bought it for a throw pillow. So you're just going to stuff it in like so, and then you're going to sew it all up and cover it up. And then next you're going to impute the rope. So you already make this rope with the fabric, so you just put the rope and sew it in like so, and then just make simple designs. So this is just to give it a fancy kind of look, so just follow the video closely, and then you're going to create these beautiful designs that will make it outstanding and very neat. You can just put your beads to make it to look neater and stylish and beautiful. All right, so this is what we have after the sewing. So you can now go ahead to tie to your sewing machine. So for those of us that don't have money to buy a new one, you can actually try this out. I'm going to try it out. So next we're going to be creating a very beautiful sleeve design. So what you basically need to do is to get your sleeve length and then minus the length of this fancy stuff you want to attach to the length of your sleeve. Okay, so you also add sewing allowance. The allowance you're going to use to join the pleated design to your sleeve, just like we have in the picture. So you just have to create your pleats, the normal kissing pleats, join it together like so, top stitch it as you can see in the video. And after making the top stitch, next we're going to start creating the beautiful design. But before then, if you like the sleeve like this and you want to use this particular design, you can go ahead and use it. But if you want to do this one we're about to do now, good for you. It's a very unique design and it's very beautiful too. So all you have to do is to get your needle and thread. Make sure you use a matching thread, okay? And then you're going to create the designs like so. Just make gathers first, like loose stitches with your needle, and then you're going to pull it tight to create your gathers. So you're just going to continue doing it till the end. So this is what we have. It's a very beautiful, unique design. I'm sure you're gonna try this out. If you try it out, please let us know in the comment section. Okay, next is a very beautiful rose design. So all you have to do is to create pleats like we did in the last one, but this time around the pleat is not going to be a kissing pleat. It's just going to be like a knife pleats, like one-sided pleats. Okay, so you're going to pleat it to one-sided, and then you're going to come to the circle you've already created. You can create this using a gum stay, or you can use the material, but make sure you add the gum stay to the material and turn it out with lining. And then you're going to be sewing the pleats on top of the circle, just like you see in the video. And when you're done, you have something like this, and then you're going to put a fancy stuff, maybe a button like the one in the video. It's a button. You can put a pearl, you can put a bead, so any kind of fancy stuff, even crystals we do, and it's going to make it look more beautiful. Okay, so the next one we have here is something like the previous one, but this time around we're just going to be using a jean fabric. So all you need to do is cut out a stripe of jean fabric like so. You can just cut 1 inch or 1.25 inches, and you're going to just notch it like so. Just notch it all the way down, then create your circle like we did in the previous one. If you're going to be attaching this to a dress, you just cut out the circle just like I explained in the last one, and then you're going to be sewing this all the way around. And when you're done, I'm sure you're going to like what you'll get. Okay, so who knows, or whoever thought jean fabrics can do this kind of thing. But then this particular one, I'm thinking, is it not going to fray like the places you notch? At the long run, it's not going to start fraying. I'm still wondering. I don't know, but it looks beautiful, it looks cute. I'm sure I'm going to try this one. Yes, I'm going to try it. Then guys, you see this next one, this particular one, I'm yet to understand it, because I can't even explain how did they do this. This is very beautiful. If you see the outcome, it is so cute, very beautiful. And then I'm still wondering how I was trying to try this out, but man, I don't seem to understand it. Please let's watch it together. If you understand it or if you try it out, let us know in the comment section. If you understand better, explain to us so we can try it out as well. Okay, so let's just watch it together. Now it's time to turn it inside out. Just look at, I don't even understand this turning out. I don't understand it, but what I know is that it is very beautiful. Look at this, so fine. This is a very beautiful design. So you see this next one, I'm sure going to try this out. It looks very easy and very beautiful, especially for those of us who make kiddies clothes a lot. So I'm going to be trying this out. You just basically need to pour in your beads or your pearls inside the fabric, inside the nets, and then you're just going to, gather it, use your hand needle and sew it. That's all. Oh my god, this is very cute, very very cute for a baby girl. So guys, if you stayed up to this time, I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next one. Bye.